The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a Mathematical Tool. Title of the video, Multiplication of Decimal Numbers, example 2.3 multiplied by 4.5. Let us take the example 2.3 multiplied by 4.5. At the outset, both the numbers have to be converted as whole numbers. That means 2.3 becomes 23 and 4.5 becomes 45. The number of digits in the decimal part of the first number is 1 and the second number is 1, and therefore two decimal digits in the result should be earmarked for the decimal part. Let us set the multiplier 23 in the left extreme of the abacus. In order to set the multiplicand 45, we have to count the number of digits of the multiplier, number of digits of the multiplicand, add 1 for the abacus and set it from the extreme right of the abacus. That is, the number 4 is set in the 10,000s column and 5 in the thousands column. Let us start the multiplication. We have to repeat the procedure that in the multiplication, the first step is to multiply the lowest digit of the multiplicand with the highest digit of the multiplier. Therefore, let us commence the multiplication of 5 of the multiplicand with 2 of the multiplier. The result is 10. That means we have to set the number 1 to the immediate right of 5 in the hundreds column and 0 in the tens column. We have to remind the child that the next addition of number should start from the tens column where we have ended the last operation. Now, let us multiply 5 with 3 and the result is 15. We set the number 1 in the tens column and 5 in the units column. Now, the multiplication of the digit 5 of the multiplicand with the multiplier 23 is over, and therefore we clear 5 from the abacus, which clears way for setting the results of the multiplication of number 4 with the multiplier. Let us start the multiplication now by multiplying the number 4 with 2 of the multiplier. The result is 8. In multiplication, we should consider the single digit result as multiple double digit number by prefixing 0, and therefore 8 should be treated as 0, 8. Thereby, we add 0 in the thousands column and 8 in the hundreds column. Now, we multiply 4 with 3, which is 12. We have to add 1 with the already existing 9 and 2 with the number 1 in the tens column. In the hundreds column, where we have the number 9, there is no bead left, and therefore we add 1 bead in the thousands column. That means we have added 10 instead of 1, and therefore 9 should be cleared in the hundreds column. Then we move on to the right to the tens column and set the number 2 there with the already available 1, which makes it 3. Now that the multiplication of the digit 4 of the multiplicand with the multiplier is also over, we can clear the digit 4 from the abacus. The result is 1, 0, 3, 5. Let the child explore that there is 1 bead in the thousands column, no bead in the hundreds column, 3 in the tens column, and 5 in the units column. As the multiplier and the multiplicand have a total of 2 decimal digits, the 2 digits from the right of the result number should be earmarked for the decimal portion, and therefore the result is 10.35. This problem has been demonstrated as the result involves numbers in the lower abacus, 0 in the result, and also a number in the upper abacus, and handling such mathematical operation will enrich the learning experience of the child.